We're doing the SDI-1210. This is my last video for SDI-1210. It's been a ride, I'm sure, for all of us. Certainly, being my first foray into JavaScript and coding, formally, really kicked me. It was tough, but in the end, I think I pulled through. I did do the extra credit assignments this week, so I did all 12 functions within our library. So just kind of going through them one by one. The first one being, is it a valid phone number? Then, is it a valid email? Is it a valid URL? With those three methods, I actually winded up using regular expressions because it seemed like they were the best method to achieve what we were looking for. So specifically, I used the backslashes and whatnot, and then I also called an exec function. I'm not going to get into every line I made, but I used the exec method, which actually netted me exactly what I was looking for. Going on, I went to for the capitalize function, split and capitalize, I used string replace, or rather replace, dot replace, dot character at, dot to uppercase, and then I created a substring to lowercase. So basically, I concatenated two returns, one being the uppercase, and then everything else to lowercase. Used the replace again for the second one, which changed the separator. I then went to add decimal. That was easy. It was just too fixed. It was a simple function. Then fuzzy math. I had no idea what that was for a minute. It took me a while to get that in my line. But basically, what I did, maybe I'm wrong, was I created a function where I put three values in: value 1, value 2, and % of. That was my three arguments. I put that and I've created a variable that was value 1 divided by value 2 times 100, which creates the percentage. And then I created if that percentage is greater than or less than the percent that you enter as the third value, then what would happen is that would be right. You'd be within a certain percentage of any given number, which is what I suppose what it's supposed to be. Days between, I use the parse method and round method. Value of for the given string to number value. And pretty much everything else. Ceiling, I used method, parse integer. It was interesting. It was a really good class. And this was it pushed me to the limit. Hope everybody see you all hopefully in VFW. Take care.